Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Gold got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European stocks traded flat as, with markets in London and the U.S. closed for holidays, investors look to a mixed Asian session. Chinese investors are paying little heed to the government's biggest crackdown on cryptocurrency trading since 2017, underscoring the challenge for Beijing as it tries to rein in digital assets. Vietnam is asking Samsung Electronics Company and other foreign companies to find COVID-19 vaccines for their workers as the nation grapples with a virus surge.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT, Italy's gross domestic product at 900 GMT, the UK's market manufacturing PMI at 8:30 GMT. Japan's monetary base will be released at 2350 GMT, the US market manufacturing PMI at 1345 GMT, the US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.